Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my June Sips by box. This is a monthly tea subscription. So they do tell us the teas. I'm going to rotate back to that at the end. You get some little satchels for your loose leaf tea, so you can fill them up and use them that way. And let's see what teas I got. So the first one is an organic Kingston Earl Grey. And this is a loose leaf tea, so I will use the satchels for that one. Mushroom Hero Botanical Blend. Very interesting. A dark infusion with coffee-like taste from a blend of mushrooms and roasted roots. That's very unique. Then we have some individual ones. Normally when we get those, there's about 4 of them. So this one is from Davidsons Organics, and this is Tropical Green Tea. So those are already in little satchels. And then the last one's another loose leaf tea, Dryad Tea. Says it has spearmint, peppermint, clove, and rosemary, so I'm sure that one's pretty good. So those are my teas. Let me go ahead and show you the card. I like the card because it tells you the steeping times in case it's not already on the package, and then it tells you the caffeine levels, and I normally do get a variety. And once you sign up for a subscription, you get to take a little profile, and they send you teas based on that. So if you guys are interested, I have a promo code below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.